Section 9, Exercise 9, Monitoring IoT Hub Events. So in this section, we'll use another tool in VS Code, the IoT Hub extension, which we did take a look at in month 1. We'll use a different part of the tool this time for monitoring IoT Hub events. So we will go back to VS Code. We will take a look at the command palette. So Control-Shift-P. We'll go and search for Select IoT for Azure IoT Hub, Select IoT Hub. You see we get one option. We press Enter. We pick our subscription. You can see it's now shown me my IoT Hub, so I select IoT dash my student prefix. And in my output window, it tells me IoT Hub selected, and it tells me my hub was selected. If you have trouble in this section and you don't see your hub, you may need to do an Azure sign out and sign in to make sure that you're signed into the right account. At this point in the lab, you should be okay, but heads up just in case you have problems. So what we can do next is take a look in our File Explorer. If your view looks like this, you may need to find the Explorer icon at the top. Click that icon. It's in the same pane where we see our files for our lab. And then we can see we have an Azure IoT Hub section at the bottom. So we're going to look for our hub name, built-in endpoints, and then events. So here's our hub name. Here's endpoints. Here's built-in endpoints. And then we'll right-click events and start monitoring. Now we'll let this run for a moment so we can get some events. Now it's important to note that we're only sending average temperatures that are greater than 21 degrees to IoT Hub. We're not sending temperatures less than 21 degrees to IoT Hub, though all events are flowing to Grafana. So you may need to wait 3, 4, 5 minutes before you see one of these events arrive. For demonstration purposes, we'll give it a minute. So we can see here that we did receive an event, and as we talked about before, window end, the time that our average temperature was calculated. You can see 29 minutes after the hour, and our average temperature of 21.12 degrees. We could pop back over to Grafana and take a look over here. We could set auto refresh, turn that on. Let's set it to every 5 seconds, let it refresh automatically for us. And you can see 21.1, so this is the same event that we saw flow through IoT Hub and through the monitor. And that does us for section 9.